Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to summarize my previous discussion about the email protocols. So assume I'm sitting on PC1, and from PC1 I would like to send a message to somebody. So from PC1 I will start my email client, write a message, and once I press send, my computer is going to establish a TCP connection with the email server. This TCP connection will start here, port 50,000, because I'm acting as a client. My PC is acting as a client. On the email server, the port will be 25, which means that my computer is establishing a TCP connection with the SMTP server, which is listening at port 25. Now, what's the purpose of this TCP connection? It is to deliver the message to the email server. Now, assume here this message is going to be received by the email server and stored on the local mailbox, because my recipient or the person to whom I'm sending the message has a mailbox on this email server. Now, the message will be stored on the local email server. Now, the person is working on PC2, and he or she decides to check if he or she received an email. So PC2, the person will start the mail client, press the key receive. The computer is going to establish TCP connection with the email server, and this TCP connection here, it will start at, let's say, port 50,010, okay, on the client side, and here it will be port 110. What does this mean? This TCP connection here is connected to the POP3 server, and then the client is going to check the message. If any message has been put or set in the mailbox, this message will be downloaded and stored on the hard disk of PC2, the hard disk of PC2. So the messages will be fully downloaded from the email server to PC2, and then you can later on read these messages offline if you want, because they are available. Let's say now I send the same message to somebody else, or different message to somebody else, and this message will be stored on his mailbox, here, or her mailbox, okay, another person. And this person decides to access the message, to check messages from PC3. Then PC3 will connect, let's say here, will decide to connect to establish TCP connection. Okay, this TCP connection will be at port 143. Okay, of course here, let's say on the client side you will have port 50,020, and on the server side it will connect to port 140. What does this mean? It means that PC3 is invoking IMAP protocol on the email server. So, email server is going to send all the headers of the messages available on the mailbox. This guy is going to receive all the headers, and then it will choose, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I want to read this message. Double click on it, and then this message is going to be requested through this TCP connection, and a copy of the message will be sent from the mail server to the PC3, where the user can read about it, can read it. Once the user will decide to close the email client, now this message, which is available on RAM memory, is going to will be lost forever. Still, you have a copy of the message on the email server. So if next time the person decides to go back and read a message, it needs to connect to the network and then get a copy of the message from the mail server. Again, the mail server will send headers, so you will choose a header, and then you can get access to the same message and read it. This is the basic and initial protocols, information about these protocols, POP3 and IMAP. I'm not including any options or optional configuration for both protocols, but this is how these two protocols used to work initially. Of course, in my discussion here, I am assuming that the mailboxes are available on the local email server. Hope this video was informative. Thank you for listening.